So let us not forget lahat ng tumulong sa atin. Especially, I just want to thank also to all my loving supporters through ups.
Pwede naman. Ilapit na ka akin, pero hindi wala lang.
Yan, yung puntaan mo. Saan po tayo? Saan po tayo?
Tabi.
Sorry. Ha? Ano nga po? Saka?
Hi, Kim! Hello!
Doon na ba tayo, ha? Walang sosogod. Kim.
Hi, Kimchu! Kimchu, hello! Kim! Hello, Kim!
Hi, Kim!
My alibay, Kimchu! Kim! Alibay! Kimchu! Hello, Kim! Kimchu! Idol kita! Kim! Bye! Materma na kaya ikaw.
Yung kalbo naman.
Ay, charot!
Kimchu!
Hey! Ay, asap naman marinig tayo. Then, ano kita si Kimchu?
Parang ako kita sa ABS.
Kimchu! Ay, charot! Kimchu! Ay, asap naman marinig tayo. Then, ano kita si Kimchu?
Parang ako kita sa ABS.
Kita mo?
Yes, na araw-araw na sa Showtime. Araw-araw nakikita. Bukas makikita kami.
Kimi! Si Kim. Hi, Kim! Ay, mata-matay.
Congratulations for winning a basic course, to Star Magic, for not just giving me this beautiful career, for guiding me for the entire 20 years, but for also giving me a home. Dahil sa lamang po ako, pwede kong ibigay. Mabigat pala yun, no? Para sa lalaki, congrats. Thank you so much, Star Magic, for this beautiful career sa ABS-CBN. Yun nga, sabi din ni Enchong, patatuwa, hindi na pala magandang nanonood. Nagsimula din ako without any talent. Just kami Enchong. I don't know how to sing, to dance, to act, but what I only have are dreams and hope na sana ay maitawid ko yung pamilya ko. And yung isang dream ko din na mapanood sa TV everyday. After 20 years, pang everyday pa rin naman. So thank you so much for fulfilling my dreams and for giving me this wonderful journey na meron ako ngayon dito sa ABS-CBN. And I also learned with those 20 years is that your talent will bring you in the room and open doors for you, but your attitude will define how long those doors will stay open. Kaya let's never forget to say thank you and be grateful for all the opportunities na binibigay sa atin. It's either big or small, pag pinagsama-sama mo yun, it's a dream that you never thought, and your younger self will be proud of you, na masasabi niya talaga, ay, congrats self, ito na yung narating mo ngayon. So let us not forget lahat ng tumulong sa atin. Especially, I just want to thank also to all my loving supporters through ups and which is the little team. Of course, we have the one and only Kim Chiu! Beautiful white dress we have. Look, hear how loud our audience is here. First of all, maraming salamat, of course, to Star Magic for not just giving me this beautiful career, for guiding me for the entire 20 years, but for also giving me